In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you a hidden feature in Google Keep. Hello and welcome back to Google Tutorials, where we give you the best tips and tricks to expand your confidence online. If you haven't already, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you're the first to get notified every time we launch a new video. This hidden feature is transcription. What this basically means is that it's going to transfer an image into text. To do this, all you need to do is to take a note. I'm going to do this by clicking on the take a note icon here. Depending on how you're going to do things, you can add a title and make a message. But I'm going to show you how to just do the transcription for now. To start off with, you need to add an image. And at the bottom, there's a navigation bar with a bunch of different options. And we're interested in this one here, which says Add Image. If you click or tap onto it, it will open your files. All you want to do from here is select the image you'd like to insert. I'm going to choose this one here. And then go to the bottom right and click the blue open icon here. Now that my image is loaded in, I would like to turn it into text. To do this, you need to go to the three dots icon, which is on the same navigation bar as the one we inserted an image on earlier. If you click or tap onto it, it will open up this drop down menu, delete note, add label, add drawing, etc. And what we want to do is go down to the one where it says grab image text, which is the second to last one. If you select this option, it will then grab the text from this and it will put it into text. What's more is that you can do it with handwritten text, so it doesn't have to be pre-typed text. So for example, you could add your shopping list, to-do list, or just general notes from lessons. If you were to do this with a handwritten message, it would work exactly the same. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe as we've got a ton more content similar to this.